Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome back to Outback with Chaz. Today, you guys, we are at the Frisco Farmers Meat Market again, and they have a food truck vending event today. So with that, I want to thank God for waking me, blessing me, keeping me in my right mind, giving me my health and strength to come forth today and bring you guys another adventure with Outback with Chaz. You got to excuse the noise, you're walking by generators and everything. So I'll be back here in a minute, and I'll let you guys see what we're looking at. Back in a minute. Hot dogs, fresh grilled dogs, got donuts, got fueled by coffee,
Are y'all open yet? I'm ready. Health inspector came by. All right. How you doing out there? Welcome to the #1 food truck in the whole state of Texas.
All right, all right.
5 stars on Yelp for 18 years. Serving the Philly cheesesteak. Best Philly outside of New Jersey.
All right.
I want that. All right, you got it.
There's some of the things on there, menu item there. Man, I don't know what to try because
I'm so old, I gotta put my reading glasses on to cook.
that guys, we're gonna check this out. Menu. Doghouse. My wife is tasting the Philly cheesesteak, and I'm trying out the chili cheese dog. Reasonable prices too, guys.
I can hear you back. Oh, no, thank you. Sit down on the other side, Dad. The wife off. I don't flip the table. I'll save you some of this.
Got a live band. The chili dog was slamming, y'all. My wife said that Philly steak and cheese is slamming too, so y'all in the area, come down to the Frisco Farmers Flea Market. Food trucks and vendors. Alright guys, we're coming up on another vendor. It's Pizza Rock, authentic Italian pizza. It's raining out here too, y'all. Another vendor here. Mobile Italian eatery, L's on wheels. That's me right there. It's actually a wagon, but it's a trailer. That's kind of neat. Chug, Denton, Texas. All right, y'all, back in the video over here. Got some vendors over this way. They got hats, shirts.
cook?
Just about anything I can get my hands on.
Yeah.
How about yourself?
I like the same thing, yeah. I'll tell you what we got.
What you got?
This is our coffee steak rub. It's coffee, ancho chili, black pepper, 16-inch black pepper, and kosher salt. Goes great on any kind of red meat.
Okay.
This is our chicken and pork. It's got some smoked paprika in there, some cumin, garlic, salt and pepper. It's on that chicken right there, but goes great on a rack of ribs or a pork butt.
Okay.
And then we have our Cajun here. Yeah.
Right.
Our Cajun, it's got some smoked paprika as well, and some good Creole blend. And then our zesty garlic herb is garlic herb, a little lemon zest, great for vegetables, fish, and chicken.
Okay. All right, appreciate it. What's good? What's good?
That's
That's the right answer.
Crawfish, catfish, stuffed
Catfish.
shrimp, catfish, fried shrimp, everything.
Right.
Basket is 15, it's 2 fillets, fries, and hush puppies, or you can get this a la carte.
All right, what we gonna get?
I'm gonna get catfish. I do what I do all that.
Okay. Well, we gonna try out something.
Okay, what you get?
I'm gonna get the crawfish. I'm gonna try it.
Okay, you want crawfish. You want crawfish?
I'm gonna try it.
Yep.
Yeah.
And I just want catfish.
Sausage. Yeah, you can potatoes. Sausage and potatoes. So y'all, I'm gonna try the crawfish. They say it's supposed to be busting. My wife is getting the fish, catfish.
You want tartar sauce? You do. And like, twist the tail, just like a mini lobster.
All right. I'm gonna sure find it out. This looks good, y'all. Spicy tail, Alright guys, this is the inside of the crawfish bag here. Man, keep growing clothes. That's what's all in there. Potatoes, sausage, crawfish. It's fire, y'all. Alright, get a chance to check them out. Back in a minute. Oh, it was good. Good.
Good
Yes,
deal.
sir.
Good deal.